Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to customize your home screen on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your phone and let's just open the settings right away. And after that, go scrolling down until you found the wallpapers site right here. So you just need to go click them. Right after that, they will bring you into your current wallpaper that you have. If you want to customize your home screen, I need to introduce you into the parts of this wallpaper site. So this one, containing the clock information as well as the date information, is the lock screen. So the picture that you use for lock screen wallpaper will be this. But then this one is the home screen, the part that containing a lot of boxes. This is your home screen wallpaper. So if you want to customize your home screen, you need to customize this side. Go click customize and you just need to customize it by the features down here. If you want to change the picture, go click this photo. If you want to make a gradient color, go click this gradient one. If you want to only have one color, go click color. So if you want to have the same picture with your lock screen, go click pair. So that is the way how to customize it. If you already finish or already decide the type that you want to have, you just need to go click done. And you got the new customizations for your home screen. So that is the way how to customize your home screen on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.